Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Really nice to see you again. A quick reminding what we are doing here. We are talking about banknotes. I like very much banknotes. And today I bring you something very special and very interesting and very beautiful banknote. Okay, we will talk about its security features. That's like my agenda. That's what I like to do in every banknote that I have in my collection. So today we are gonna see this beautiful, amazing 100 manat from Turkmenistan. It's 2017. It's a kind of commemorative banknote. Okay, I can see here some like Asian, like Olympic games took place in Turkmenistan in 2017. So this is the commemorative banknote that they issued for this special event. Okay, so let's talk again. We talk about security features. We will try to find all security features that could be in this banknote, and I'm starting right now. Okay, 100 manat. First of all, when I touch this banknote, I really feel it. Okay, I can feel it in different places in this banknote. But in Taglo printing, this security feature, you know, where I have another video about all possible security features. But in Taglo printing, kind of raised ink, I can feel in different places in this banknote. For example, here for impaired and let's say like for visually impaired or blind people, I can feel it here. Okay, and maybe in this where the Turkmenistan central bank words, I can feel it also, and here. Okay, so this is the first security feature. The second one, very easy to find. Maybe I will do it like this. Here you can see the portrait, the image of this man. Okay, we can see it very clear here. It's a watermark and also the number and the flag of Turkmenistan. We can see it very clear here. Okay, it's watermark. It is the second feature, but also we have let's say like watermark images. Okay, these lines, we can see it. This is not something that happens in the other side of this banknote. Okay, you can see these lines. It's also watermark, or let's say here. Okay, so this is something more complex. Another one, let's talk about this. It's very, maybe it will be hard to see in the video, but you can see this one number, 100 value of this banknote. Okay, you can see here and here. Okay, it's like it, we can tell it see-through images. Okay, in the Swiss banknote it could be the cross. Okay, in 200 shekels we see it was a menorah. Okay, here it's the value of this banknote, 100. If we see it in maybe like this, no. Okay, so you can see, if we see it maybe like this, you can see the 100, like all the parts of this 100 value, they come all together when you see it through the light. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, let's go to another one. It could be this holographic strip. Very interesting, very amazing, very beautiful holographic strip. Okay, maybe I will take it here, the lamp. Yeah, so we have the value and the horses on this holographic strip. You can see it very clear in this video. Another one, this security trade, like something like this we have in $100 bill, but in $100 bill it's more complex. Okay, here it's just a thread that just change the color from purple to, I don't know, I think something like green, yeah? But it's very hard to come to another color, but yeah, again, this is security trip, it's another security features. Another one, it's a resident ink. Okay, you can see this like gold stripe. Okay, it's very beautiful. There is also some images, kind of images here, but this is another security feature in this banknote. Another one, let's see. Okay, so I think all it's very beautiful spark life. Okay, you can see it. Wow, it changes the color from green to blue. You can see it. Yeah, very interesting. Okay, something new. I don't see it in a lot of banknotes, but I think it looks good. Yeah. What else? Oh, micro printing. Huh. Let's take my phone. After that, I already uploaded this banknote to my app. Okay, as you can see here, it's already uploaded. Okay, if you want, you can also upload your banknotes or coins to this app, and just, you know, to share with other people. There is a lot of people that who already just shared their banknotes and their collections. But let's take and see no, we don't need this one. Okay, we make the biggest zoom that we can, and we check. You can see it's also micro text, but also micro images. Okay, you see, very beautiful images, and you can see the text, Turkmenistan, okay, we can see it very clear here, and also, as I remember, it's here, very clear, okay, here you can see it, it's really hard to read, but we can see it very clear. Okay, great. Let's return to my app. Great. Okay, so this is something that we can see and touch and feel visually, okay? But we have also some hidden gems, okay? And hidden gems that I want to show you. I need to switch my light first. Second light, and we will open this one. My app will be closed, and we will, are you ready for the magic? Yeah, this is the magic. Okay, UV light and UV ultraviolet ink. Okay, very beautiful. You can see these numbers in orange, and this value and other images. Okay, maybe, oh, here you can see it maybe even better. Okay, you have fibers like in dollar bills. In dollar bills you can see it without ultraviolet ink, ultraviolet light, but here you can see, wow, it's so beautiful, so many colors. Ultraviolet, very beautiful, amazing, and I think it is amazing. And the last one, let's again turn on our light and turn on this machine infrared. If we will see in infrared, okay, so here it's almost the same, but if we will look, nothing, we can see here infrared feature. So it's very, very beautiful and very, very, let's say, secure banknote. So let's see what we found. Okay, so I have these numbers and we will see what we found here. How many? Okay, let's see how many. Okay, so raised link in different parts. We will put 1. This see-through number 2. Watermark, okay, will be 3. And here we have holographic stripe 4. And we have also microtext 5. And we have also spark light feature 6. Okay, so in this side I think it's enough. We have nothing else. Let's go to the reverse side of this banknote. So we have here this security thread, and we have anything else specifically here? No, nothing except this one that we saw in the previous side. And ultraviolet, yeah, and here, and infrared. Okay, so at least 10 security features we can see on this banknote. Amazing banknote. And yeah, it's my pleasure to show this banknote to you and share this information. So I will put it here. Next video, I want to ask you what you prefer for me to do for you. Okay, I have 3 options, so just write me in comments what you prefer me to make a video. We have this 1000 rupee from India, or maybe you want something old, $1 Canadian dollar, okay, from like 90, 70 something, okay, if I remember it's right, yeah, 73 here. It's very interesting, and like it's almost like 50 years ago. What was the security feature of this banknote? Oh, if we want, we can do this one. This one is Arabic, United Arab Emirates Central Bank, 100 dirham. So these 3 banknotes, just write in the comments what you want me to video to make to you. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.